Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Foy. I'm an MD or medical doctor, and I'm the director of the Coccyx Pain Center or Tailbone Pain Center here in the United States. I'm online at www.tailbonedoctor.com. This is a quick video just to look at a different type of cushion. I see lots of patients who have tailbone pain. They fly in from all over the country, occasionally internationally, and they have different types of cushions that are with them. So sometimes if I see something that's a little less common, I make a quick photo or video just to show that for people who may be looking at, for cushions or have not found a cushion that works well for them yet. This particular cushion, the one or two things that are a little different about it. Number one, it's foldable. So some cushions have a crease in the middle, and what that does is mainly two things. Number one, it folds to sort of half the size, so that way it looks more like a purse, or a sort of a very low profile or thin, handbag that you could carry along. So it doesn't look quite as noticeable to other people as compared with carrying one of the bigger Coccyx cushions. It still has a handle, which most of them do, and this one happens to be called. The manufacturer happens to be purpleonpurple.com. I have no vested interest in this. They're not paying me to do this or anything. This is just from a patient who came in to see me and let me borrow it for 3 minutes here to do a video. So anyway, the crease in the middle. The thing about the crease in the middle, and I'll see if I can hold this up a bit to demonstrate, is that when you sit. That essentially, the tailbone or coccyx in the middle is essentially over the crease. So that's what helps to have you put your body weight onto the other two sit bones, but not so much onto the coccyx. So the two things that the crease do is, number one, it lets you fold it and make it look more like a purse, and number two is that the crease then is a spot where the coccyx sort of floats or hovers over the crease so that it's not contacting the seat and therefore less painful for you. The one other thing about this particular cushion, and I'll see if I can zip it open a little bit here, is that it's essentially a gel material. So you can probably see that. And the gel material, the one thing that may be good about a gel material, and you can also see, it sort of has, a cutout in the middle where there's no gel in the middle. So this is essentially like a donut. It's essentially like a gel donut, with a cover on top. The cover you could remove if you needed to throw it in the wash or something like that. I have had patients also who will put their own fabric, if you're creative, pick up some fabric that you like at a fabric store and make it look like more like a personalized purse or something that you would carry with you. But the other thing about the gel is that, and the handle in this case is made of gel, kind of a gel-like material as well, is that the gel may hold up better over time, theoretically, compared with the some of the thinner foam, especially if it's not a particular sturdy foam. They can sometimes flatten over time and then become less effective because it's squashing down like a pancake and it's not really lifting your tailbone, up off the chair. So again, this is just a short video to review a cushion that's a little less common than the ones we normally see with the cutout in the back. Does it mean this one would be perfect for you? Definitely not. It may or may not be. But it's one more to consider. If some of the standard cushions are not doing the job, or if you're in a setting where the appearance is really important for you, in terms of having something that's kind of more low profile, to think about the ones that are split in the middle for that in that way. Or if you're somebody that your cushions are always flattening out on you and 2-3 months after using it, you have to, need to get a new one. then you may want to think about trying something with a gel or something like that. Anyway, so that's some information about Coccyx cushions, and particularly this one with the gel with the split in the middle. Hope that's helpful for you. In my book, Tailbone Pain Relief Now, I have a whole chapter about cushions. If you're looking for the book, you can go to www.tailbonebook.com. If you want more information or you're looking to find me or come and see me or what have you, you can find me online at www.tailbonedoctor.com. If you have questions or thoughts or comments or want to mention about what cushions you've tried or found helpful or not helpful, post your comments down below. I'm sure it'll be helpful for myself and others to see. Okay, bye-bye now. Hope that helps.